Hello, and this is JU-Ice, and look what I just walked up on. Isn't it cute? Cute. And this is the name, Quaker Sun Hunter. And look at this one here. Nice big one. And this is the owner. Say hi, you're on YouTube. Say your name.
My name is Anna. Last Christmas, Maui, Memo, and me.
Do they talk?
Only when they want to.
Only when they want to? Hi! How are you? He's eating. He's drink. It's a she? She's drinking water. Hi, how are you? Say hello. You're on YouTube. Thank you so much. And this is her,
Hi guys.
her stuff right here. One printed picture with birds is $20. So anytime you're in Orlando, stop over here. We are at iDrive, and this is her setup right here. So anytime you're here in Orlando, make sure you come by and check her out. Beautiful birds.